Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your business account with Citigroup, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your business account with Citigroup, begin by visiting the official Citigroup website. Locate the sign in option on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign in to proceed to the login page. Under the login fields, find and click the forgot username or password link. You will be directed to a new page with options for resetting your account. Choose whether you want to reset your password or recover your username. If you select the option to reset your password, enter the required information such as your username or email address associated with the account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Be sure to choose a strong password that meets Citigroup's security requirements. If you are recovering your username, follow the prompts to provide necessary details. You will also need to verify your identity for username recovery. After successfully verifying your information, your username will be displayed on the screen. Now, return to the login page and enter your username and new password. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, visit the support section on the Citigroup website. You can also contact customer service for further assistance. Once logged in, it is a good idea to review your account settings. Make sure all information is up to date to prevent future access issues. This completes the process of resetting your business account with Citigroup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.